Surprise, surprise. Guys, I'm so excited. I bought my mattress. 12 inches. I bought myself a biggest mattress ever. Wow. Half mattress, sunbelt. Wow. So beautiful, guys. I'm going to make a good bed so that I can use it with this marvelous mattress. So excited. It's a kind of price, but it's worth it. Kwa jinsi hii mattress ilivyo nzito, ni nzito. Yani imetengenezwa hiyo round yake imetengenezwa na fibers za manazi, lakini it's so heavy. Imebebwa na watu 4. Yo. What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Waridi, and if you're new here, please make sure you don't forget to subscribe to be the family member of this channel. Yes, guess what? I came straight from work, like how you see me, guys. Yeah, so I came straight from work and I gifted myself this month, and I bought 2 things that I wanted for so long, guys, and I want to unbox with you. I'm just motivating you guys to love yourself so much, cause life is too short. And I have these 2 beautiful packages. So the first product is this perfume by Latafa. It's called Eclair. It's called Eclair. I don't know. I'm not the expert of perfumes, guys, so forgive me. And this perfume smells like vanilla, if I'm not mistaken, chocolate, something like that. Yeah. And another product is this for those skincare girlies. Yeah. I have 5-in-1 face kit. I wanted this for so long, guys, and I can't believe now I have it. How do you open it, guys? Yo. Okay, yeah. So, wow, inside looks like this. There is the machine, which is chargeable machine, and there is it looked like this. This is the machine. This is the body Bristol. This is the massage kit, face kit. Yeah. So the charger, something like that. see. And here we have our kit. The machine. You guys, I don't know. I will keep learning and I will keep trying one by one. And this is the manual that I'll be using to get a guide on how to use the machine. This machine looks expensive, and that is what I wanted because I love my things looking expensive. Hapa ndo hii mashine inavyochaji, inawaka namna hii. Tutaona baadaye itakavyokuwa inafanya kazi. We are unboxing another expensive gift to myself. If you don't love yourself, guys, do not expect another person to love you. You have to care and love yourself. Yeah, so you have to be the first love of your life. Oh my goodness, how am I opening this? No, okay. Look how it looks inside, guys. It is well packed, and this is a, you guys, you will help me on how to pronounce this, cause here. Oh. Chocolate. It smells chocolate. Thing. I was given one perfume which is expensive too by my aunt, so that one is expensive more than this one. Because let me just show you guys this Fifth Avenue. I saw it on Instagram, someone selling it for 100,000 shillings, and it doesn't smell that bad. It smells good, but this smells good more than this one. And I know this is expensive perfume that I have used before, but I bought for myself one of expensive perfume. Most of the time my perfumes ranges on 40,000 shillings up to 35,000 shillings. Yeah. And remember, the hair. This is called trust the process. Look it, baby. I'm making my hair, guys. My young sister is making my hair for me, and the hair is this one, guys. Slay Queen by Darling. Slay Queen by Darling. Crotching the hair. She made the contours, and here I am. She's crotching it. While we are watching Kim Kardashian from Kenya. 3 or 4, I'm not too sure. And people cooking in there, it's fine. Flowers, my cute face, like it's just so cute. And then this is the back. I was able to film and also put my flowers in this, thank God. So right now I want to show you my outfit. I'm wearing this pajama set that you guys saw. I got it from African mom told me that I have to put on the side. You guys, akiwa namalizia hapa mbele, manani hapa mbele kumebaki. I want to apply my clay mask because I want to go and take a shower, because what the hell?
Ukiniacha kwenye nyumba wiki moja,
ukisuka basi urudishe kwa huko hivi.
Ukisema I'm traveling, please look after my house. Ukija unakuta niko soft.
We, na hivi tena nilivonunua gari. Sina hata ndugu yangu.
Utanikuta I'm soft because every product I put.
Hii ni kwa ajili ya ile skin, inaondoa na nini? Inaondoa hizo inaondoa nini?
Dark spot.
Yeah. Inaondoa dark spots, alafu pia inaondoa dark kuna white heads na black heads. Kuna white heads na black heads. So hii inasaidia. Guys, if you are in Mosh, Kilimanjaro, Tanzania, please contact this lady. She'll make your hair like how she's making mine. She is the pro. She's my young sister. So she has already finished it, guys. Rate her. Yeah. Oh, the hair is so smooth. Ukichambua na gel, guys, oh my goodness, I look so marvelous. Tomorrow, guys, I'll show you the full look because I'm going to church, and I'll show you guys. Now the time now is 10:20. The time right now, guys, nimechoka and I have to go and take a shower. Oh my goodness. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Hi guys, what's up? It has been the longest time. I can't even remember. First of all, guys, if you can hear my voice, I'm so tired. I'm in Dodoma right now, guys. Kuna vitu nimekuja kufuatilia, sikuwaonyesha namna gani nilikuwa naondoka nyumbani, but nimekaa tu chini nikafikiria lazima niwe na memory ya hii safari. Nilishukia kwenye sehemu moja hivi ya kupumzika, inaitwa Mtumba Lodge, ambayo iko kwenye Mtumba something area, kwenye ofisi mpya za serikali huko Dodoma, Magufuli City. Yeah, ni karibu na Magufuli City. I want to show you guys room yangu. Nilitaka kuondoka jana nikashindwa kwa sababu I was so tired. Na leo ndo naondoka usiku. So I want to give you a tour of my room. Yani niko kakicha. Nilikuwa nataka nifumue hizi nywele, nikasema acha tu nije nazo haraka nimalize mambo yangu, nirudi nyumbani nikafumue niweze kurelax nywele zangu. But I want to give you a tour quickly kabla mambo hayajawa mengi, kwa sababu nina simu ya kupiga. Yeah, so let me just give you a tour, guys. Sorry, tunanipa safi. Yani hapo ni takataka zangu nilikuwa nakula nikaacha hapo, and pale kuna TV, kuna nguo zangu nimeweka pale, kioo. Pia chumba kina feni, kina neti. Pale vile ni chooni, sintaweza kuwaonyesha guys. Pale ni chooni, sintaweza kuwaonyesha. Ya dirisha, kitanda kiko rough kidogo kwa sababu nilikuwa nimelala. Yeah, and that's it, guys. My OOTD, guys. I'm wearing this flare jeans. Yeah. My Zara shoes. My black t-shirt, as always. My necklace, my watch.
guys, sasa hivi ni saa 4:15. Nimepigiwa simu na mhusika wa kimbinyiko, akasema kwamba gari itaondoka saa ngapi? Itaondoka saa 6 na saa 6 saa 7. So inabidi nisubirie hapa mpaka saa 7. Niko tu na shanga magari, sina cha kufanya binti wa watu mpaka saa 6 usiku ndo tuondoke. Ayo ni shida, ni kuchoka juu ya kuchoka. Guys, I don't know what is happening with my skin. Yo, what is this? Oh my goodness. Oh. Yani, it's so itchy and I feel so painful. Oh my goodness. What? On this side too. If you can see, on my chin. I don't know what is going on, guys, but my skin is glowing. And here too, on my nose. What? It's okay. I'll feel better. I will feel better. It's okay. Everything will be okay. Katika process za kutibu ngozi yangu, natumia hii mask ya Cosmo. Inakuwa hivi guys. In case unahitaji, unaweza kupata sehemu yoyote ile ambayo wanauza vipodozi. Hayumi guys, ili mradi tu usiweke karibu na lips zako wala kwenye nywele. Yeah, that's it. Tunaendelea na process ya kutibu ngozi yetu.
It goes into fish, into rice, into sugar, and we continue to expand.
And thank you so much guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to be the part of this family. Yeah, bye. See you later guys. Mwah.